Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Cioffi. Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes. And this morning, it's about scattered snow showers and snow squalls. The storm from yesterday is actually intensifying fairly rapidly now as it's well to the east of Cape Cod, and you can see it on the satellite loop, kind of that distinct comma shape out there. And we're getting that upper trough that's swinging across the Great Lakes. You see some streaks of clouds, and there are snow showers and snow squalls that are being produced. They are scattered in nature, but they're also rather convective in nature as well. Wouldn't be surprised. I've seen a few reports of lightning and thunder in some of these squalls, and you see on the radar, at least as of 9 a.m., they're oriented in an east-west fashion and moving eastward. So some folks get them, some folks don't. You know how it works. They last for about 10 or 15 minutes. The snow that comes out of them can be blinding, and visibility down to near zero. And just at about the time you start to think that there's going to be a foot of snow, you have a coating to an inch, and it's all over with. And we've already seen, by the way, various snow squall warnings up for parts of south central, southeastern Pennsylvania, and parts of Delaware. And I think we're going to wind up seeing a few more as the day goes on. The other issue today, wind advisories, and the winds are going to be kicking up strong and gusty from the northwest up to 40 or even 50 miles an hour in gusts. And we have those advisories up from northern Virginia into all of Maryland, include, of course, Washington, D.C., Baltimore in there, all of Delaware, southeastern Pennsylvania, much of New Jersey up to about Route 78, and then northeast across New York City, Long Island, southern Westchester, southern Connecticut, and points east. So it's a little bit of wind action here for today, and that's going to make the temperatures that are in the 30s feel like they are down in the 20s. And this is a very quick shot of cold air that is coming in for today, tonight, and tomorrow. We are going to see our temperatures tomorrow morning drop down into the teens and low 20s in most places. The wind will be up for a while, so you can subtract about 10 degrees off the actual hourly temperatures during this evening and tonight. And then they'll start to ease a little bit as we head into tomorrow morning, and the winds will definitely drop off during the day tomorrow. The next story here, moving ahead, is going to be the big warm-up. We're going to be in the 30s today, and for Thursday, we are going to be mostly in the low to mid 30s. This will be the coldest day with this shot, but it goes right out and it warms up in a hurry. We're going to be into the 40s to around 50 on Friday, and I think it'll be with some sunshine, which will be nice. And then Saturday, as we are ahead of a cold front and a low that's going well to our west, a southwest flow up the east coast, warm air surging, we're going to be up in the low and maybe even middle 60s. Not expecting much in the way of precipitation on Saturday during the day, but we may see some showers and possibly even a thunderstorm or two Saturday night into Sunday. And Sunday, temperatures are a little lower behind it. We're going to have some leftover 50s and low 60s until the front passes. And going into next week, it cools off a little bit more, but still well above normal, with temperatures generally in the middle to upper 40s. So there are no big issues ahead with regards to either rain or snow here. Just looking at the HRRR today, you can see it picks up on the streaky nature of the snow squalls that are out to the west. Again, hit and miss. Some of you get them, some of you don't. And then by tonight, they're all gone. The gradient is still pretty tight into tomorrow morning until the high builds in. And then we'll start to see that gradient relax a bit, and the winds will start to ease off with the high overhead. So a nice day coming up on Thursday. And by the way, in between all of the squalls that we'll get, whatever squalls and snow showers that we get today, we'll have clouds mixed with some sunshine. Now here's a look at what's going to be happening longer term. And as we said, this high moves out. There is nothing to hold the cold air in. Low pressure goes well to our west. Rain upstate western New York into the Great Lakes. There'll be a northern fringe of snow and ice in northern Missouri into southern Wisconsin, and that may eventually translate its way in through parts of upstate New York and northern New England with a snow and ice storm over the weekend. But with the low going there and the southwest flow, it's just going to get very warm here. And there's also going to be, by the way, severe weather that will be moving across the Gulf states for Friday and for Saturday. Models are very bullish on this. Even the Storm Prediction Center has been talking about this several days now, so well ahead of the weekend. That's how sure they were that they're going to get some severe weather, and the GFS really picks it up and down from West Virginia, but particularly from western North Carolina down into the Florida Panhandle for Saturday. For Friday, it's back over into Louisiana and into parts of Mississippi and Alabama. Saturday, it reaches the coast. I think for the most part, our weather here from Northeast Virginia to southern New England doesn't holds on until Saturday night into Sunday morning when the front goes by, and then it moves out, and then we move along to the next weather system. So we're at January 8th. I can tell you this much: for the next 10 days at least, there's no chance of any kind of significant snow or significant cold, other than whatever quick shots we get that go in and out. So, snow lovers, you're stuck, and not much is going to happen for a while. All right, folks, have a great day. Stay warm. You have website posts on my website, meteorologistjoecioffi.com. Download the free weather apps on Google Play or on the App Store, the Meteorologist Joe Cioffi weather app, and Angry Ben's weather app, the Angry Weatherman. Have a great day. We'll see you later or tomorrow. Oh, by the way, we do have our live stream tonight with Joe Rayo at 7 o'clock Eastern Time on my YouTube channel, which is Joe Cioffi.